watch the beauty of the birds.
As Shanae said, I'm Phil. I'm the supervisor over here at ASA Birds. Every spring we put our macaws out, and the reason being is during the winter they have to be held off exhibit because of the cold temps. Now that we're kind of gearing into spring and summer, our temps are rising, so it's getting warm enough we can put a lot of our birds out. So today, as our keepers are going to do here in a minute, you're going to see several species of macaws we're going to be putting out for our summer season. Like I said, we have 3 species. Is that right? 3, right? Two. So we have scarlet macaws and blue and gold macaws. We have certain areas we feed them at, as you can kind of see the 3 different stations right here in front of you. And without further ado, guys, go ahead and let them out and see what they do. So each of our macaws do have names. As you can see, they fly off. One of the cool things about them is we don't contain them. They go wherever they want in this exhibit, which is kind of mimic their natural behaviors in the wild, which would be flying around being parrots. Parrots are very loud, and they use that because they have to be able to vocalize in the tropical jungles where they live. And over long distances, it helps being very loud.
So what type of macaw is this coming out now?
This is a scarlet macaw. Her name is Bud. She came from us from the Dallas Zoo a couple years ago. She does not fly. It's not that she can't, she just chooses not to. We don't force our birds to fly, like I said before, they just kind of do that whether they want to or not. That's a blue and gold macaw that just came out.
Now, did these birds live together while they were in the winter barn?
Yes, they all live in we have different stalls set up where they have perching and some artificial enrichment for them. And they, as you can see, blue and gold take off there. It kind of takes a while to get adjusted to where they want to be. They do kind of have their own specific areas they like to feed and hang out.
Now, Phil, I know as some people see these beautiful birds out, they might be thinking, wow, I would love to have one. Are macaws a bird that you would recommend as a pet?
I would not, for many reasons. One is they're very long-lived. I mean, macaws can live into their 30s, all the way into their 50s, depending on the species. So they live a very long time. Ours get a special diet here, and it's very fresh produce every single day, whether it's apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, and that can be costly, especially if you're doing that every single day. They're very attention needed, so they require a lot of enrichment. They're very busy, they're very destructive, so they take a lot of attention, and you have a lot of time for them. As you also heard, they are very loud, and in your house, it's very annoying, and it can be very tiresome. So I generally don't encourage in your homes, just because of those reasons I just explained.
I noticed that really long, sharp beak that they have. Could they be dangerous if they were upset?
Yes, they can. They have a very good bite, as some of my keepers can attest to. We do sometimes occasionally get bit if a macaw, we handle them the wrong way, or they're just in one of their moods, which they seem to be moody at some times. If I can compare them to anything, I compare them to teenagers. As you can tell, they kind of hang out. We have a lot of more macaws that will be on exhibit. This is just kind of the group we put out first. So when we are open back up, I encourage you guys to come out here and see all the awesome birds out here. Not just macaws, but we have Amazons, we've got waterfowl, we've got spoonbills and storks and ibis, and all kinds of cool birds out here. You guys have anything you want to add?
So how do we keep the birds in good body condition when they're indoors?
What we do is we try to maintain their weight by providing a nutritional diet. Like I said before, we offer produce. They get a manufactured pellet, which has a lot of the vitamins and minerals they would need on a daily basis. We try to not give them too many nuts and seed, because that can add a lot of fat during the winter time. And we do adjust. We do get weekly weights on them, which helps us kind of keep an eye on their bodily weight. So those are the kind of things we do. If we do get a bird that's kind of getting a little bit on the heavy side, we do try to exercise them more by getting them more enrichment, trying to keep them busy, so they're just being stagnant.
Now, are these birds that people can interact with when they're here in the Australia, South America, or do we prefer people keep totally hands-off?
The cool thing about these birds is they are friendly enough that you could get up to here and you could talk to them and you could look at them, but you cannot handle them or touch them because they will bite. They like to have their space. They're very awesome at social.
Good job, guys.
don't train them to